Well, hello. Today I have something quite special. I'm going to make an unboxing, and I'm not very good with unboxing, so sorry for anything that I might do wrong. First off, I am working on the 1-year review of the Explorer. Sorry for the prolonged delays, but it's being quite difficult to make it. But today I have something, as I said, very special. This is an unboxing of the new Traska Summiteer in 36mm. And as you might know, this was for sale this last Sunday, and it sold in around 2 to 4 minutes, all the units. It was a limited release of 100 watches in different colors. And today the black version has arrived, so I'm lucky enough to be able to show it to all of you. So this is the box it came in, and well, I'm just going to start opening as usual. Okay, now they all come always very well protected. Oh, by the way, this is the watch I'm wearing. This is the Summiteer in 38.5mm in green. I already made a review. I'm very happy to own this watch. It's a very good watch. Okay, now this is the box that comes in. As usual, it's the card box. Very simple box bringing the watch, but this very good protection, this plastic protection. So I'm going to just leave it on one side. Nobody's interested in the papers. So this is the box, and the usual box from Traska. It has another box inside, a white one, and this is the travel pouch that it brings. It's very convenient. I have used it many times. I have like 3 Traskas right now. I sold one, but this is one of the good perks that you get with this awesome brand. So let's move it out of the way, and now here it comes. This is the 36mm Summiteer in black. It's like seeing a good old friend. Kind of reminds me of, well, of course it reminds me of the version, was the version 2 I had? Yes, the version 2. It was in black. And from the first looks, it's basically what I hoped it would be. It has all the protection, so there is no plastic here. I'm going to clean it a little bit. Excuse me 1 second. Now here it goes. I'm going to clean. Oh, there should be a plastic. Yes, there's a plastic in here. Yeah, this is plastic. So this is the watch face, as you can see. I'm going to make a quick compare with the 39mm. The first impressions is that the size is very spot on. It really is the size that belongs to this watch. Very nice. I'm going to make a quick comparison with the Explorer. Now, as you can see, of course, kind of very reminiscent of each other. This is basically, it's inspired in the Rolex 1016, but with its own peculiarities, its own design. Very nice. So, okay, I'm going to leave this on one side, and let's peel the plastic in here. I don't have fingernails. Okay, now here it goes. Yes, there it goes. This is the plastic. Now much better, of course. Here you can see it in all its glory. It's already ticking. Has a Miyota 9039 in it without ghost position. This very classic and classy size really looks nice. It looks very good. With this bracelet with this pearl finishing. There is plastic on the back, plastic on the bracelet. I guess I will have to size it for me, the bracelet, but I'm not going to do this right now. This is just a quick unboxing. I just wanted to show you the watch. Yeah, I have plenty of space. This is how it looks like. So let's wrap up. I'm going to upload this so that you can see it in YouTube. I hope everybody gets their chance to get this watch, the ones who already bought it. Well, the first impression couldn't be better. I think the dial is very proportionate and really looks good. I'm going to test it and try it for a few days to make a quick first impression video. I hope it doesn't distract me a lot from the Explorer. But with this classic design, this is going to be a great companion. And this one is not going to scratch easily. That's a matter of fact. So, thank you for watching. I hope to be able to make a first impression review in not very long time. Shouldn't take a long time, considering that the 1 year review is going to be something a lot harder to make for the Explorer, more time consuming. But this one should be easier to do it in a few days. I'm very familiar with the watch, so there are very few things more than I can add at this moment. The thing is that the size is, I find it very, very, very nice. So this is something that I asked back in my first video about this, and this is true. Now it's real. So I'm very happy being able to be one of the first ones to have this watch. But I hope more people are able to try it soon. Well, thank you very much and talk to you soon. Bye bye.